The other day, somebody they comment for comment section. Now they say Tinubu is destroying this country. Now Tinubu aide reply, come on, shut up. The president is trying. Don't you know Tinubu does not sleep until 3 o'clock? Now another person reply, tell her make he sleep, make Nigeria wake up.
How many times has it been running?
Call the golden boy. He's the one who call the dollar remix. He's the one who call the freshest, the goldest, the American boy of the comedy of Nigeria. Make some noise for the freshest, the sexiest, the poppiest daddy, the one and only Acapella!
May Two-Face no go lose in voice. Baba, I don't crack you, Chris, where Two-Face they hate me. If you no laugh, thunder fire you. I know say you, man. You know, say this work, I don't collect Kanayo direct number yesterday. So what that comedy work or you know work, Baba, they okay. Ah yes, I kill 2 people. If I even kill you now, overkilling. Baba, this 2025, if you like say never starts, they work for you. Under Tinubu, now you get this belly. Baba, the way Tinubu they rule Nigeria, I be like, they give target, kill them before January 4th. What did they happen? Baba, if you see hungry, my guy hungry, so in face don't lean, you know they feel open the phone again. Once he put and not recognize. This new year, anywhere where you see food chop, fasting go plenty from 2nd week. And they advise you now. Now, you know, say when I entered Benin this morning, the boy run me street. Me and my boys go do show for nature. Now we drive reach Ring Road. We miss the address. Instead of to the waste time, now I tell my driver, call Keke, make he lead us. Now the Keke carry us from Ring Road, reach the... As we reach the hotel, now I ask him how much. He said 36,000. I say for waiting. They come from Ghana. He said now 36,000. I said how much from Ring Road to this place? He said 3,000. I said why it can't be 36,000? Now I look inside the bus. Counter now, na be 12. They charge us per head. I go buy singlets. The boy say 80,000. I say now bulletproof. He said if you no go buy liver and whiskey, they come. Because it's where whiskey comes, singlet or cascas. Whiskey just they play safe. The other day, somebody they comment for comment section. Now they say Tinubu is destroying this country. Now Tinubu aide reply, come on, shut up. The president is trying. Don't you know Tinubu does not sleep until 3 o'clock? Now another person reply, tell her make he sleep, make Nigeria wake up.
How many times has it been running?
No wonder Nigeria they sleep since. Because the way Nigeria they go now, all of us get trust issue. That's why you go see abroad, when you go elevator, or you go see elevator, 2 buttons. One they go, come. Where they happen to the mic? Do well, now free show, casino no really give me money. I know too really stressed like that. If the mic just, you know. But the way casino they beg, I feel saying less privilege go full here. Casino beg, he say, baba. They know they buy. No gonna be this. Bini one no. Oh, the mic don't work, sha. Oh, I don't be forget. It's how you explain say. Baba age don't come. Now Tinubu they make us forget things. Nigeria nothing they work the way they explain now. One of my guys pass out for America. When you go where the guy pass out, now we see one alcohol beside that. The name of the alcohol now knockout. The thing knock him out. Nigeria, my guy find sleep 6 months. He no see sleep. Nothing they no recommend. They say me take Valium 5. He take him, he no work. They recommend Optalidon. He take him, he no work. Somebody say me take Flagy. I say wetin concern Flagy and sleep. The guy say if you take him quick, he go quick sleep. They cause okay, make it the exercise, make the jog for morning. The guy jog, he no work. Nothing they no recommend. Nothing work until somebody recommend Jehovah Witness book, Awake. As my guy read Awake, he enter coma. It be like saying, no, Nigeria. I say, when Oyibo reach elevator, Oyibo go see two, in one they go up, one they come down. If they go up, you go press up. If they come down, you go press down. Nigeria, once we reach the elevator, we they press the two buttons. If you no go up, you go. Because we get trust issue. Now only as they buy jollof rice, say, madam, put small stew. We know the way they cook up. Don't really know what I go sweet, the way they explain now. Because the average Nigerian, now you be your own security. See now what would they drive they come from Lagos? They go, because this period I just they do shows around the east. One guy just look me, and the guy say, this thing look like Acapella, but if you see where they deny Acapella. But the people they talk this thing. Who be this? Give me better mic now. I don't even really tire for this, so I don't get money now, so comedy no really work. I'm into real estate and robbery.
Go and sit down.
I'm into real estate and robbery. Yes, I rob cream. Then at the first show, he said they use manual hold microphone. I say no hold like this. So I got the whole microphone. They careful. I like my Igbo brothers. I enter one Igbo man shop early morning. Nothing don't happen. Just say Igbo man get accent. As I enter the shop, 8 a.m., he can not open beer. Say, na Acapella, drink beer, I get bad day. I say, God forbid. 8 o'clock, your day don't spoil. Make me come drink beer. Nice Acapella, just drink beer, I get bad day. I say, can I stop that rubbish? By 8, people never even wake up. Your day don't spoil. Instead of you go, they cry, they say, man, drink beer. After 2 minutes, now the guy said, na Acapella, if you go drink beer, drink. If you no go drink beer, leave her. I said, drink beer, I get bad day. Now today, them bomb me. Now my bad day. Now my bad day. Every Igbo man has a second shop. I don't know who they pay the rent. Just go Igbo man shop, say, now I want buy LGTV. He said, my brother, no worry. It's the second shop. I don't know why the thing not always the first shop. And you know, say Igbo man, nobody say you get pride, you just get glory. Igbo man glory too much. It is sincere, special. You never imagine say God they call us on phone. God fit call Yoruba man. Hello, this is God Almighty. Yoruba man never even hear anything. As he just hear God, he go start to beg. Father, I'm just coming, no. I didn't do anything, no. Or God will call Hausa man. Hello, this is God Almighty. You go, yeah, Osama, call me back, I want to pray. Look who you want to pray to, they call you. But if God call Igbo man, you say you go feel him. Cha Igbo kwenu. As God shout, hello, this is God Almighty. You go see Igbo man. Nah, be serious, here a business phone, no. Don't waste my time, more. Then the voice go come again. Hello, this is God Almighty. Igbo man go question God. If you are God, what's my name? Me and you know God will come with the correct answer. And then God goes, your name is Ikenna. He goes, see, but mine goes spread. He said, nah, God, hold on. He go meet his friend. Ekene, God just call me now, big boy. Hello, God, how are you? God go say, fine. He said, nah, God, I've been praying since you are not answering. And one man, I supply container, he was going back, accident, kill him. Nah, God, Saturday, I send him back here. Let it come. And you know, so when would they go church? We know they go church genuinely. No, everybody will go crossover this year. Now to go tax God. That's why you go to hear my 2025, my year of doings. 2025, me now like this 2025, my year of betting. Baba, I know they bet football again, no. Now they boxing. I they bet boxing. At least if I lose, I know so the best way make me lose, I help me Peter. Bastard. I put money for you, they go they lose. Peter, I'm not idiot. And you know, so if you dey bet, once you carry 5 games, betting, nothing give hope reach betting, you know. Once you carry 5 games, the first 4 go show green. For your mind, go to say you don't know how to bet. You see that last game, you go carry over 1.5. You dey find 2 goal. 60 minutes, they go lock cash out. You now go call the hope. Make them just call one now. We will not go church genuinely. If you want to go church, or you go to Mina, here or you go worship song, you go know say that from their heart. They won't go church, you go hear song. I just want to be where you are, dwelling daily in your presence. I don't want to worship from afar. Draw me near to where you are. Before we go church, we dey want God. There is something that makes me, because nothing there will not come. All our songs, give me, you go to hear people, they shout for God. You promise that you will carry my load. And I give you. When we go introduce God, hear the way they introduce God. He is the King of kings. He is the Lord of lords. His name is Jesus. Jesus, to introduce God, we go involve money. We go to tell you, He's a great provider. Now that we sing so, Jesus, na big man. Who know what's a big man they do? Money. Everything collect. Now they try worship God now. Those is what was small, no worship song. Now worship song day. You go hear the song. Lord, you reign, ever you're the same. I got my turugi, mama, the church will say. You go hear song, He's done so much for me. I cannot tell it all. Everybody say. Do you know that when we were young, there was no gospel song? Every song, na question and answer. We go there, the answer useless question. Will you be ready when the Lord shall come? After this, they will ask another question. What shall we do today? After this, they will ask another question. Who is greater than Jehovah, Lord divine? Brother, are you a winner? Then to help you catch a break, they will still do something. You must participate. You come here. They will come sing one song, pretend like say they don't want to ask you question. The question they come. You get and since I was born, and now I am getting old. Question, listen, brother, have you seen it? Then you go to church and they sing song. When they sing the parts where you know your voice is loud. When they reach where you don't know, you go enter spirit. You know that song? Hey, we wo, hey, we wo. Let's go. Okay. Hey, we wo. You call it Hosanna. With our